guys, it's me Sanya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be putting some sequins, some of these things, some glitter, some pom-poms, some loom bands, some of these things. I don't know what they're called, and the same thing of these. And I'm going to put them in my clay slime, the white one and the green one. Let's get on to the video. Okay, let's start with these little doggies. Let's scatter them all around. And that one is new. This one's going to be a dog slime. Looks cute. That one's done, and let's play with it. Ooh, it actually feels really nice. Let's take it out. That feels really good. Wow. Now let's put it in our bowl. Let's put the dog ones here. That one's done. Now, oh no, that's not here. Now for the pom-pom one. So now we're gonna be using this green one. Oopsies. Ooh, that looks really, really colorful. Wow. This one's gonna be called Rainbow Slide, except it has black in it. Now let's play with it. Pom-poms are getting out. Ooh, it's all so nice. Okay, now I'm gonna be putting this one over here. Wow, looks really nice. Oh, that one's done. So like these two. So put it over there. Now for the glitter in the green slime again. All done. Now let's mix it. This one looks so nice. It looks like Christmassy. Well, Christmas is in 1 month. That really feels really nice. Next one is some sequins. Wow, that looks so nice. Let's go mix it in. Ooh, that looks really crunchy. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Wow, this looks really. Wow. This looks so good. Wow. Whoa. Okay, now let's put it in our plate. Okay, next one is this into clay slime. I'm only going to put that much. Ooh. Wow, this feels amazing. Wow, I wish you guys can feel it. It's so crunchy. Let's put a bit more. Ooh. Wow, wow. Okay, now that one is done. Next one is beads into clear slime. Wow, I think this one's gonna be crunchy. Let's go mix it in. Wow. I love this slime. This one looks really nice. Wow! It's so crunchy. I love this one. Now let's put it here. Next one is this one with, I'm not sure what it's called, and it's in clear slime. Whoa! Wow, this one feels good too. Let's open it. Wow! This one's not even that sticky. I'll put it over there. Next one. So this one's a clear slime with glitter. All done. I like this one. Scatter around. I love this color, glitter one. Wow, look at this. Whoa. Next one is this sequence one with big clear slime. Whoa! Let's go in and play with it. Wow, this feels really nice. It feels so good. This one feels so nice. I'm gonna do that there. Wow! Wow, that's so pretty. That one looks really good. Now I'm gonna pop it here. Well, next, last one actually is the Loom Band one, which I never actually put Loom Band. In Maya. Wow, that looks cool. Wow. This one I really like. I love the blue and orange Loom Bands. Look at that. This is the last product. Wow. Oh my god, this actually looks really good. Okay, so which one is your favorite? This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, or this one? Which type do you like? I personally like this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. All of them actually. They look so nice. Now let's mix it. Wow, this really feels good. I think it's gonna turn out like a really nice glittery sequins beads slime. Now let's take it out of the container. Wow, that's really, really rainbowy. Wow, that looks so cool. Let's take it this much. Woohoo! That really looks cool. Wow. Uh-oh. This really looks good. It looks rainbow. It feels so, so good. I wish you guys were here to feel it. It really, really feels so good. Wow. I'm gonna try to make a big bubble. Ooh. Or not. This really feels good. I hope you guys can make one of your own. This was really, really fun to make. I really enjoyed making this video. Ooh. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, share this video with your family and friends, and thanks for watching. Bye!